resultant and equilibrium of forces. Now, what is the meaning of resultant of force or resultant? Resultant is a single force that will have the same effect in magnitude and direction that all other forces acting on a system or body have. So for us to have resultant force, it means that we have multiple forces acting on a system. So resultant simply means the result, the sum of all these multiple forces acting on a system. So instead of having multiple forces acting on a system, can't we just have a single force that will have the same effects that all these multiple forces are having? So it simply means result of multiple force acting on a system. Now we also have equilibrant. Equilibrant is similar to resultant, but the concept is a bit different. Now equilibrant is a single force that will balance the effect in magnitude and direction of other forces acting on a system. When we have multiple forces operating on a system, there is going to be a resulting effect of this force. So this multiple force can push or pull or rotate this object. Now in order to counterbalance the rotation, you need to add a force to prevent rotation to make this object stable. So a single force that will now stabilize the effect of all other forces is now known as equilibrant. It means that equilibrant is a force that will balance the effect of multiple force, balancing force, while resultant is the result of multiple forces. So if you want to balance a system, let's say you have multiple forces operating on a system and you want to balance it, the first thing is to find the resultant of this multiple force. Now when you get the resultant, you can now apply a force that is having the same magnitude as the resultant in opposite direction to the resultant force. So that is when you will now have your object in equilibrium state. That force that you apply to make an object stable to be in equilibrium state is known as equilibrant, while the effect of multiple forces is known as resultant. To understand it properly, let's quickly learn force system. Now, what is the meaning of force system? Force system is a system of interaction of multiple forces on objects. Now we have different type of force system. The first one is we have coplanar force system.